What I'm going to show you here is a word. It's only found in Joshua 1556. The number before that, 1555, is Goliath. So you got three names: Jezreel, 3157 in the concordance, Jokdeam, 3347 in the Hebrew concordance, and Zonar, 2182. If you add them all together, you get 8686. That's how old the Queen is. So we're going to find out what this word here means, and then I'll show you how the pyramid reveals it. A city in the mountains of the southern Judah. Where's that? Of course, it's England. So that's London. Burning of a people. You understand what I'm saying to you? Now I'll show you with the CAD program how you do it. First off, you take the height, and what you've got up the top here is 5450.000. So it's 5454. All right. This here is the base of the pyramid with the displacement factor removed. So you have 36524.2424. Therefore, the base is shrunk in by 286.1, which is espousal, from 36524.24, and you take 286.1 from that, and that word is also espousal. One is female, one's male. All to do with Solomon. Now, this is very important. The actual size of the pyramid today is therefore entered into the program at a height of 5454 inches, pyramid inches. Now, that will give you the width of the capstone and the shape, so forth. Now, what we're going to do now is say, we've got the height here, and we've got the circle here. So that's the central point. So we're going up, and we're putting a line straight up, which is the number 19.47 degrees. And this is what we revealed by Jupiter. Then we're going to measure across here to see how wide this is altogether. Then we take the tool we have here. You go to the center of the circle, which is up here. Then you go across to there, and around you go to there, and that marks the center of the circle. That gives you several numbers, but primarily the number goes across from here to here. So I'll give you those numbers. That across there is 51420918. You put the decimal point in, 4 places in. I'll give you 8 numbers. And we've got the height from there to there, which is 54540000. Keep it at 8 numbers. We've got that number there, which is the degrees and angles, 19.47 degrees. You also have a length of it, 27,699,851. Okay, all a bit boring at the moment. Now what we're going to do, since we've determined this point here by the height where this exits the circle, which is this circle here, is the height of the pyramid, 5454 pyramid inches. We've got this here as the center of it. We've now gone up to here, and we've drawn an arc around to here, Then we photographed it and put it here to here, so that one comes down to there. So that's the one we formed. Then we've got that. Then we've got the straight line between the two, rather that one there, right across the top. So then we go from the center of that and we can create a circle. I'll just do one for you, show you how easy it is. Start from there. Right, she's centering itself up, and you go up to that point there, or that point down there. There's your circle. So that's easy. So, what we do have, however, not to be overlooked, is that line there. And it crosses this line here, exiting the pyramid, which is the actual pyramid that's there today, and that's all we can deal with. The one we know is there. And where it exits at that point, we can make a mark. And the distance across there to there, that distance is 33. Let's get it up there and have a look. Now remember where it is. That one. We go up to the bits up top here. Okay, see that one it is with the dots around it, little ant trail. And we're going to bring it up over to here. So 33477409. Now I put the decimal place there because it's easier for this computer to do the work. Bigger numbers. And that number means the one I just showed you. Burning of the people. Now you have the 740 number. This is absolute. This is a CAD program. Extremely accurate. So we want the number 7409. See what that is. 7409. Okay, 7409. Here it comes. Be patient. The word is mules, dromedaries, animals, beasts. Okay. So they're gathering the beast as people into, just a moment, 7409 on the as stored up for any purpose. To collect and gather together. To do what? 3347. We go down there now. Once again. You got a strong search. 3347. To gather for any purpose. For what? The burning of the people. Found in one verse and one verse only. That number there is 31. You want to have a look. There it is, smack in the middle. Remember, we've got the daylight for the 4th is 9:09 minutes. Destruction. It relates to 9:11 and 9:10. We've got 3347. That's the name. Jokdeem. Zone A, 2182. and 3157. You add those together and it's 8686. That's how old the Queen is. You don't have to worry about the Antichrist bullshitting you. Don't have to worry about me being the Antichrist. You've had it ever since I left in 33 AD. I told you, it's already there. Get out of London. Very important to avoid the possibility. Well, I say to a kid, get off the train track, it comes through at this time. Luckily the kid, although it didn't disobey, it disobeyed you, it stayed on the line, laying there. The train did have a breakdown on the way. That's the God bit. So, I'll tell you what's going to happen. The angels are onto it. They aren't allowed to obey evil anymore. The angels have been released out of the bottomless pit. The key of David opened them with a long chain or something like that. I bought a scale this morning at the Salvation Army. You know, I'm 222 pounds.